Today, we're diving into a holistic approach to weight loss using yoga to support your goals. While diet and exercise are commonly discussed in weight loss strategies, yoga can provide a unique and powerful complement. It supports not just the body but the mind, helping you develop a balanced and sustainable approach to losing weight. Section 1. Understanding the connection between yoga and weight loss. Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breath control, and mindfulness. It's well known for its ability to improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. However, when it comes to weight loss, yoga can offer more than just physical benefits. Stress reduction. Yoga has a profound effect on reducing stress. High levels of stress trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can contribute to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. Yoga helps reduce cortisol levels, promoting a balanced metabolism, mindfulness, and emotional eating. Yoga promotes mindfulness, which helps you become more aware of your body's hunger cues and eating habits. This awareness can reduce emotional eating, leading to healthier choices. Improved digestion. Certain yoga poses stimulate the digestive system, encouraging better digestion and metabolism, both crucial elements in weight management. Section 2. Key yoga styles to support weight loss. Not all yoga practices are the same, and some styles are particularly effective for supporting weight loss goals. Let's explore a few. Vinyasa Flow. This dynamic and fast-paced style of yoga involves linking breath with movement. It keeps your heart rate elevated, helping you burn calories while improving flexibility and strength. It's an excellent choice for those looking to incorporate both a cardiovascular workout and mindfulness. Power Yoga, a more intense, strength-based variation of Vinyasa. Power Yoga is great for building muscle, toning the body, and increasing overall calorie burn. The increased intensity helps with weight loss while promoting endurance. Hatha Yoga. While slower paced, Hatha Yoga is a great option for beginners or those looking to build a solid foundation. It still provides benefits for weight loss by improving flexibility, strength, and mental focus, all of which play important roles in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Section 3. Specific yoga poses for weight loss. There are specific yoga poses designed to target key areas of the body that can help support weight loss. Incorporating these into your practice can enhance your results. This powerful pose targets the legs, core, and arms while improving balance and endurance. It also strengthens the body and helps burn calories. Boat Pose. A core strengthening pose, boat pose helps to tone the abdominal muscles and improve balance. Stronger abdominal muscles can help stabilize your entire body and improve posture, which aids in overall movement efficiency. Plank Pose. A foundational strength-building pose, plank engages the core, arms, and legs. Holding a plank helps improve stamina while targeting calories and building muscle tone. Chair Pose. This pose activates the legs, core, and arms. It's particularly useful for boosting heart rate and toning the lower body. Downward Facing Dog. This full body stretch strengthens the arms, legs, and core while improving circulation and relieving stress. Section 4. Creating a yoga routine for weight loss. To effectively use yoga to support your weight loss goals, consistency and a balanced routine are key. Here's how to structure your practice. 1. Frequency. Aim for at least 3 to 4 yoga sessions per week, combining styles like Vinyasa or Power Yoga for calorie burning with Hatha or Yin for recovery and flexibility. 2. Breath work. Don't underestimate the power of breath. Incorporate breathing exercises like pranayama to manage stress and activate the parasympathetic nervous system. 3. Mindfulness. Yoga is not just about the physical poses. Cultivate mindfulness in your eating habits, body movements, and thoughts. Pay attention to what your body needs, and try to incorporate healthier habits both on and off the mat. Section 5. Additional tips for maximizing weight loss with yoga. Hydration. Drinking enough water is essential to support both your yoga practice and weight loss. Proper hydration ensures your body functions at its best. Sleep. Quality sleep is critical for weight loss. Yoga helps reduce stress, which can improve your sleep quality and, in turn, support your weight loss goals. Balanced diet. Yoga is a powerful tool for your weight loss journey, but combining it with a balanced, nutritious diet will provide the best results. Allow yoga to guide you not only towards your weight loss goals but towards a healthier, balanced life overall.